Hey folks, it's Russ Vi. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I'm heading over to our soap shop this morning. Tina had a couple errands to run, so whenever I have a chance to drive over there by myself, I always like to do a video if I can. And I don't really have a specific topic to talk about today, but we are getting closer to the holiday season, and there's no better time to start your own work from home opportunity than now. All right. I mean, just imagine joining an opportunity, putting in a little effort now, and making some sales before Christmas time. I mean, wouldn't that be nice? And, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with any of the opportunities that I'm in. But I always guarantee people that if you treat it like a business, you're going to get business pay. And if you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby pay. And unfortunately, most people join these opportunities and they never do anything. They join, they get excited for maybe a couple weeks or a month. They're right into it. But then after that, they just, if they don't make a sale right away, or if they're not making a certain amount of money right away, they think it's a scam, they think it doesn't work, and they end up quitting. And the truth of it is that all these opportunities that I'm part of, they're all legit, okay? They've been around for a long time. Several years. One of them has been around for, going on 22 years, and they just flat out work. It's just that you have to work the business, right? You can't just sign up and expect to make, thousands of dollars overnight. It just doesn't work that way. It's like anything, but if you could stay consistent with it, if you find the right marketing methods that, resonate with you and just continuously do those each and every day, eventually you're going to have success. It's almost impossible to fail with these opportunities if you stay consistent. So what I do is I have 3 different opportunities, okay? And there's a rubber band on these, but I have business cards, okay? joinruss.com. And I point this domain name to my Linktree page. All right? And on my Linktree page, I have the 3 different business opportunities that I'm a part of. And then I also have a place there where you can open up a high yield savings account that pays over 4% right now. So where you can put your money in there and have your money make money for you. Okay? Because if you're putting money into a savings account at the bank, you're not making anything. The bank's actually stealing from you. Okay? So, but getting back to the opportunities, 2 of them are direct mail opportunities. All right. And again, I always have stuff ready to go with me. These are just the postcards that I keep with me to, if I run into somebody who's interested, I hand them a postcard along with my business card. All right. And then on top of that, I'm mailing out postcards every single week. I mail out postcards, and I'm hoping to have a couple more items come in the mail today. And then I'm going to show you exactly what I'm mailing out in a number 10 envelope. All right. That's super high converting. So the 2 opportunities I have, or 2 of the 3 opportunities I have, are direct mail opportunities. They're mailing out postcards, flyers. You can use drop cards, business cards. You can share the opportunity online if that's something you like to do. I like to make videos, and I use YouTube and Facebook for my main marketing platforms. And I enjoy doing it. I enjoy doing a hybrid, a combination of both. I do offline marketing and online marketing, and I think that just yields the best results. But you can do whatever resonates with you. We have a person in one of the postcard opportunities that I'm a part of that mails out postcards, and he does 7 figures a year. Okay? I mean, it's not impossible to do. It sounds like it's not real, but it's totally real. And then I have another, so 2 of the 3 are direct mail opportunities. And then my third opportunity is a global opportunity. And that opportunity is, it's just a great opportunity. It's been around a while. You can earn money and save money. All right. So you save money by using the apps and the portals that they have. And you can save on everything you already buy now, groceries, if you go shopping. I mean, there's just tons of stuff you can save money on. And then you can share or make money by sharing the opportunity with other people. That's a global opportunity. It's in over 150 countries. So if you go to joinruss.com, okay, again, here's my postcard, or my little business card that I hand out. Joinruss.com. Check it out. It has all these opportunities on there, and just see which one resonates with you. You know, I have people that come in, they see them, they join all three. Some come in, join just one. All of my people that watch my videos from outside the US, they join the global opportunity, and it's just a win-win. When you join me, you get all my contact information. I send you a resource page with over 80 different places that you can advertise online. 99% of those places are free. And then you'll see the marketing systems that I use and everything else. So you get everything you need. All right, so I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.